is a craft to make your doll's summer extra fun. We are going to make a doll-sized DIY pool floatie using gallon-sized baggies, clear tape, bubble wrap, and acrylic paint. I start by taking a gallon-sized baggie, cut off and remove the top. We still have 3 sides that are sealed. The bottom sealed edge will be the crust for our pizza pool floatie. So I fold the baggie in half, then fold over the bottom corners to make a triangle. Make a crease, then fold it over, and repeat on the other side, making sure the lines match up. Cut on the folded line, leaving you with a triangle shape that is still attached at the top, but open on the sides. Open it up. Our baggie has a print on one side and is clear on the other. The side that is clear will be the top of our pizza floatie. The other side will just be the bottom and look like crust. Since it's on the bottom, I'm not too worried about that print. However, if this does bother you, you can just look for a baggie that has no print. Now we need to use paint. Everything has to be painted in reverse. So from the other side, you can see all of the toppings. On my palette, I mix brown and red satin acrylic paint to make a pepperoni color. On the clear plastic, paint a few circles. Take green paint for bell peppers. I'm just making small curve shapes. Add a lighter green on the edge. Mix light gray and brown. Paint an oval. Add a stem underneath. Add a brown shadow to the edge. For mushrooms, take black paint. Make small circles, leaving a hole in the center. Allow it to completely dry. Hold it up to the light and check for holes. Add a second coat if needed. I'm just putting plain red behind the pepperonis and allow it to dry. Take a yellow paint, either a gloss or a satin, and paint right over the toppings. Allow it to dry, so when you flip it over, it looks like cheese. Be careful when you're painting the cheese because some of the paint may go under the toppings. I am mixing a couple of different browns to make my crust. Paint it across the top, leaving a small space in between. Let the paint go over the crease and paint the other side of the plastic. Allow it to dry. Take red paint to fill in the last opening. This is the tomato sauce on our pizza. After everything is completely dry, place bubble wrap on top. Cut a large triangle that is slightly smaller than the plastic. Cut several. I have a total of 5 layers. Use tape to tape them together. Place it onto the plastic. Take the other side and pull it over. Overlap the edges and secure with tape. Go around all the sides for a pizza slice pool floatie. Since we painted it on the other side of the plastic, we don't have to worry about the paint scratching off. Since it's made with bubble wrap and plastic, I'm pretty certain it will float. But can it hold the weight of a doll? Our fresh doll Tamara is going to try out the pool floatie for the first time. I kind of think this is a matter of balance. So we just gotta get her to balance on the pizza. And yeah, wow, that was pretty easy. It works! Look at Tamara, all extra chill, enjoying a day at the pool. Make more so all the dolls can enjoy a little sun. Thank you for joining us while we made our DIY pizza pool floaties. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
give a shout out to CheerMac107. What's up? Okay, I'm done. That's all the energy I have today. Put on my shades, and I'm back in chill mode.